What did you hear me say? You know the difference it makes. What did you hear me say? Yes, I said it's fine before, but I don't think so no more. I said it's fine before. I've changed my mind. I'll take it back. Erase and rewind. 'Cause I've been changing my mind. Erase and rewind. 'Cause I've been changing my mind. Erase and rewind. Hi, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Erase Rewind by the Cardigans. I'm going to show you how to play it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's see how to play this. Alright, first I'll show you the chords and after that we'll dig a little bit more into the picking that I'm doing that will make it a little bit closer to the original, right? So in the intro we have E minor to G to B minor. If B minor is hard for you, try B minor 7. And then to A. Alright? And one specific thing here in this song that we have is that some chords are coming a little bit earlier on the offbeat of the previous bar. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the B minor comes on the offbeat of the previous bar and also the A after that as well. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 right? So this is the intro and also the chorus after that. Over this thing we'll add some taps in a little bit, but first this. And here we have the post-chorus. No, actually we'll call this the turnaround because sometimes we're playing the verse after it. G to D to E minor, but if you count it, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? So the D and the E minor come a little bit earlier. Also there is another tab for this thing, but we'll do the tabs in a little bit. And then we have the verse, for which basically we do the same thing as the chorus, but we don't go through the chord of G. We just play E minor. Hey, what did you hear me say? You know the difference it makes. What did you hear me say? Yes, I said it's fine before, but I don't think so no more. I said it's fine before. I've changed my... Here we do 2 down strums on E minor. I've changed my mind. And we play the chord of A. And also I'm playing here with the 3rd fret of the E string, basically make it an A7. I've changed my mind. Take it back to D, to G. Erase and rewind. And we do the same thing as the intro. Erase and rewind. 'Cause I've been changing my mind. But let me come a little bit closer to show you the little picking that you can do throughout the intro and also throughout the chorus if it's not messing up your singing too much. Alright, so we start with the chord of E minor, but notice that I'm grabbing E minor with a bar here. So I can easily turn it into G. And also we have this second fret of the E string with hammer on the third fret, right? This is the most common thing that we have in this song. So I'll first do it and then I'll explain it. Again. And now. Okay, so we start with the chord of E minor. I just played, and then I'm removing the ring finger, the middle finger, and just leaving here the bar. And I'm doing this, the hammer on the second fret to third fret of the E string. Then with the pinky fifth fret, and then grabbing the B minor here to fifth fret of the E string, and then grabbing A, but also with the pinky on the fourth fret of the A string, and then open, right? So. And the second time it's a little bit different. We start with E minor again, but I'm playing this fourth fret of the C string, and then the hammer on here, second to third of the E string, and then the pinky on the fifth fret of the A string, grabbing the G chord, then A string open, and then after that the same thing as the first time. Okay, so slowly the whole thing. One more time. And here was that. I'm again barring here. Basically this is G major 7, but when I make the hammer on it becomes just a normal G. Okay. And then grabbing the D chord, but I'm focusing mostly on the E string second fret. Again the pinky on the fifth fret here, and grabbing the E minor, focusing mostly on the C string, right? Do you see this beautiful view there? And the red trees? I'm not sure that I'm pointing to the right direction there, but I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it. And while playing the verse, I'm also adding this, basically a simplified version of the things that I just showed you. Hey, what did you hear me say? You know the difference it makes. What did you hear me say? Yes, I said it's fine before, but I don't think so no more. I said it's fine before. I've changed my mind. I'll take it back. And in the chorus, do the tap for the intro if you can. It will require some practice, of course. Erase and rewind, 'cause I've been changing my mind. Erase and rewind, 'cause I've been changing my mind. Personally, me, I'm finding it a little bit hard to do the voice melody and do this in the same time, so I'm kind of cheating a little bit, and I'm just playing the first variation of the tap throughout the whole course, and almost nobody will notice that you do that, so I think that that's a pretty neat cheat. Here is how it will sound. erase and rewind, 'cause I've been changing my mind. Erase and rewind, 'cause I've been changing my mind. Erase and rewind. I simplified it even more here. The idea is to never lose the timing, and you can do as much as possible, just don't lose the timing, right? And if you do, just practice a little bit more and then you'll be fine. It will be easier to learn this if you have the printable in front of you. Also, the interactive tabs will help you learn this and practice the tab. You can get them from the link in the description. Thank you very much for doing so. Thank you for watching, subscribing and everything. I give you this beautiful view right there, and I'm signing out. Goodbye.